Are you tired of seeing that dreaded "cannot connect to App Store" error pop up on your screen? First, verify the internet connectivity. Check your internet connection, or you can even consider performing a speed test. Links are in description. If you can't access any websites, try resetting your Wi-Fi router or contacting your internet service provider. Check Apple's system status page. To check if there are any ongoing issues with the App Store, visit Apple's system status page. Turn Wi-Fi off and on to re-establish the connection. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Wi-Fi and toggle the switch off. Wait for a few seconds and then toggle it back on. Now, try reassessing the App Store and see if the error persists. If yes, forget and rejoin the Wi-Fi network. Go to the Settings app. Choose Wi-Fi. Tap the I icon by your connected network. Tap Forget this network. And confirm your action when prompted. After forgetting the network, reconnect to it by selecting it from the list of available networks and entering the password if required. Once you're connected, check if the problem is resolved. Disable VPN if used. Launch the Settings app. Tap on General. Select VPN and Device Management. Tap VPN. And turn it off if connected. Check if the error disappears. Still not working? Reset network settings. Head to the Settings app. Access the General menu. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset to proceed. Select Reset Network Settings. You will need to enter your iPhone passcode and screen time passcode if required. Confirm the action by tapping Reset Network Settings. After that, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and check if the error persists. If yes, sometimes a simple restart can fix various software-related issues. Long press the side button and volume up or down button. Keep at it until the slide to power off slider appears. Move the slider to the right. Your iPhone will now shut down. After a few seconds, press and hold the side button again until the Apple logo appears. Outdated iOS software can sometimes cause compatibility issues with the App Store. Go to the Settings app. Choose General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download Now. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. If none of the previous steps have resolved the cannot connect to App Store error, it's time to seek help from Apple's support team. Links are in description. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.